I don't think we have the rights to Benny Hill. All right, this has devolved into a vaudeville act at this point.
I can find it right now. Like, there we go.
There it is. Striker finally ends the ballet of the Widows there. You know, she's got the ballet skin. It makes a lot of sense. A little black swan action happening there. Ends in tragedy as well. Striker up 3-1 in this matchup, which at the very...
Is that training bots or what? Mobile stream, huh? A mobile stream. Oh my god, you know what you're filming, doggy? Man, you know how to hold that camera in the right places. Jesus. Oof. That's a squeezer. That's a squeezer. And my dude's looking, and he's looking fresh, my dude. What else? He plays he's a RuneScape League fucking newbie. Oh my fucking god. What a joke. What a joke. Jesus fucking Christ.
Okay, Custa. Your thoughts, my friend?
I think we can all agree that main tanks are the least mechanically skilled players in Overwatch. So we should have this pretty easy playing Mystery Heroes.
Oh boy, it's getting spicy in here. I'm just, it's all kind, I'm verklempt right now. Just all kinds of hot. All right, guys, you know what? Just take your seats, shake hands maybe if you will. I don't know. It's gonna be insane. But let's go ahead and send it over to your casters. You got Monty.
A decent position. He's getting so close, gets taken out here by Wyatt. Self-destruct over the top here. Doesn't get anybody. Blade out from Erster onto the Ana. Oh, he gets slapped. Oh, what a sweep here. Crystal now into the back line. He's into the Transcendence too. Molanran able to get Erster after he was slapped. Self-destruct here. Crystal now popping his blade. Quickly takes out Michelle. Quickly the self-destruct, forcing down another one, as they're going to be able to get this one if they can quickly get these.
But that's got to be a daunting enemy. Did you put in some extra practice hours on your Widowmaker?
I actually changed my sensitivity yesterday too, so. But I think, I'm glad I won because I get to say this. I think every single Widow in this deathmatch is really good, and I think any time of day, anyone can beat anyone. And I think that's why I also say Widow is really team-based, because we're all really, really good aimers, but it's our teammates that help us be able to set up flanks on the opposing Widow or out-mind game everyone.
That's right. That's right.
A very different game type. Did they strategize? Do they have any plan for this particular game mode?
이번 경기 어떻게 좀 연습을 좀 하셨는지, 그리고 또 전략 같은 거 좀 짜신 게 있나요?
Never practice, no plan.
Okay. Okay. All right. That seems to be the theme of the Atlantic team. Okay. So,
do I need to go on? No.
I'm looking forward to play versus Brent to see how many Widowmaker shots he misses before he actually hits me.
I haven't really talked any trash on Twitter just because there's not really any reason to. I mean, why would, I can't even queue with half the people on the Pacific team because they're so low.
Listen, I'm not worried about Golden Boy for one instance because there's no aim assist when you're playing on PCs.
Puckett's head is so big, I don't think he's going to even be able to put his headset on.
Our team's going to have that PMA, that Puckett MVP over the Atlantic Division.
I don't even know how Crumbs managed to find his way into the arena. Ask him what day it is. He won't tell you. He won't know.
Listen, we are capable of beating the Pacific team without any practice. We've been out enjoying life.
You do know that you are on the Pacific team.
Try again. Let's say we're going to beat Atlantic this time.
And the truth comes to light. Listen, I was traveling, I was in Europe, I was jet lagged, all right?
What day is it today?
Room for your style to actually determine the way you play. Widowmakers of different feathers always give us these interesting clashes, I feel. Oh no! How have you done this?
Okay.
He wanted to be done with it. He was finished.
That's going to be Carpe.
They're confused.
Oh, big shatter. Doa with the stun. Doa's Brigitte actually has been pretty good, but there goes the Diva Bomb. Oh! Semmler with the fat Diva Bomb. Oh my word.
He's been watching some Poco streams. That's
easy game. We're gonna go. We're gonna kill. Okay, easy game.
I'm getting wrecked by this.
Yeah, take care of the fair. We need a hit scan. Hit scan. Come on. Great job! Great job! Boom! Boom! Boom!
No.
Boom! Boom!
McCree behind me. McCree.
Boom!
You can't stop the train, guys.
Just lube it up. No brakes on the radio.
Boom! Easy!
Good job, team.
Over, he's looking at me. No, I'm looking at him, but he's not looking at me. Should I have looked at him? Damn it!
I'm trying to.
He's in my head.
So we'll see. About 7 seconds. How this final round will play out.
Soon making boat noises over there. You see, your SureFours got that wiggle leg going on.
Yeah.
He's got that wiggle jiggle.
That's what you know you're feeling it.
He's locked in, dialed up. Oh! It ain't gonna happen! The backhand to the face is so real!
Wow! I don't watch like a lot of the Widow cams.
Oh my god, dude.
Wait, did he just get banned? I just got the thank you for reporting, and he just got banned? What? That was an instant ban! You guys see this? I just reported him, and I got the thank you for report.
It's decided that sitting in spawn is probably the best course of action moving forward.
Yeah,
that sounds good.
Sandbagging!
You know, they're just saving themselves for next year's talent takedown, I'm thinking.
You know, you gotta cut. Yeah, I'm told that pros, usually save strats. How hot is that? I don't know.
You and your crazy made-up language. I think Celsius is like, what, something plus 30? Anyway, they were already right into this one.
I'm thinking Soon is like supremely unconcerned with the outcome of that first duel, and then yeah.
Exactly.
Right?
It's almost like a deflect, but fair.
Is he actually? Yeah.
Just giving it away. Just giving it away.
Fight me.
Amateur.
Oh
no! Pine wins the psychological warfare.
I don't even need.
Get the participation trophies ready for the Atlantic team because your champions are about to be wearing Pacific jerseys. I cursed it! I shut your mouth!
Go! This weapon is yours. Let's go, boys! Let's go! Holy shit, we're rolling!
Why are you so quiet all the time? Why are you not calling, man?
Why am I not calling?
Yeah.
I'm focused on carrying your very good player's performance with what I can do with my mechanical skill.
Okay, please keep focused. Thank you for carry.
What the fuck was that? Can someone clip that?
Why Kappa, dude? Why Kappa? Why Kappa? Why Kappa? Why Kappa? Why Kappa? Why the fuck? Why Kappa? Okay, man.
I'm taking care of you.
That was
Actually, fuck you guys, man.
That was actually ASMR. What was that? Yeah. It sounded so weird and crisp.
The talent takedown, first ever here at All-Star Weekend. And look at that, Monty, it just didn't want him to win. Anyone but him.
I think they're giving out participation awards right now. Second place.
Anyone but him. I didn't even know that Crumbs had no idea he was on the Pacific team at one point.
You know, I think...
Zayn says, we'll seal the beast now when you come out of retirement playing Overwatch. Probably not. Very unlikely, let's be honest.
Let's go.
Listen, chat. Today's my birthday. Alright? It isn't, but it is today. It's not, it actually isn't. But it would be the greatest gift if
We could get one tryhard in chat. Is that what you're gonna say?
That was my idea.
After the match. But for now, let's give it up for the greatest team in the universe, Team Atlantic! This is the best by far.
What are we doing? To come up, kind of wants to play safe until that happens. Doesn't take that shot. There goes for the grapple on the edge. And he gets it! The edge! It doesn't matter. SureFours wins. That is how you win a game off the edge with the shot. Wins by 2. I called it there. A little bit of the slower style here. Just waiting for someone to walk into your scopes. Much like sitting in a deer stand in northern Wisconsin.
Oh. And then they just the deer come flying through the air.
You don't know those Wisconsin deer, man. They are aggro. They want your cheese curds.
Would be here for a while.
Well, everyone, good thing the seats in the arena are comfortable.
Oh my, what is that? Saya with the slick moves.
We're gonna get legendary Rhine skin in 2 boxes. Not this one, but the next one.
Psych!
Close.
When I see Zoe play support, you know that she said that as a teamwork, make the dream works, right?
Right.
So that's true because you're not gonna like go and kill everyone without support. That's why Zoe is supposed to be the MVP tonight.
Right. I feel like having that team player attitude gets you MVP.
Yeah, and also she's the most beautiful on the stage.
You're shooting your shot right here,